Good. Parallel family, what up? I'm on my way out. You know what I'm saying? I'm about to go to a little event. You know, I got the calm drip on. Check out the feast. Finna put on some fragrances. We stacking today. Little Parallels Ruby. Go a long way. It's a unisex fragrance. Very elegant, man. Anything that got our name on it, you want to get next to. Boom, little sample. I can't show y'all this because it's not out yet. You feel me? Everybody that smelled it is like, yo, I need a bottle. Boom, put that there. You know what I'm saying? Even get down there, like, get them knees. Feel me? Get them elbows. Had to go with the Parallel imported main attraction, one of our exclusives, all the way from France. It's imported, man. Imported. Clap it a little bit. Hi. Get it nice and lit up. And I'm gonna put that right there because when people come in to hug me, they're gonna come right here and I'm gonna just be like, yeah, take that in, take that in, take that in, beloved. So I could be directing traffic, like, doo. I'm like, damn. See, I'm telling them to stop. And who's standing next to me right there while I'm directing traffic? They getting all that wind, just smacking them. Ha, fa, fa, fa. You know what I'm saying? I could be giving directions, right? And I'm like, yeah, so if you make that turn over there, and then you spin the block, and then you put them in a full Nelson, or I could be fighting flies. And whoever around me, they just gonna be getting all that fa, fa. Y'all get the point. We look good, we smell great, it's feel amazing. Peace.
Ladies and gentlemen.